On Apollo, 3, 2, 1, crescendo.
Got moving on both sides of the field here. Notes going in on both sides. 27-14 makes another shot. Going for one more note. 87-49 trying to push these middle notes out of the way. 27-14 lining up for one more note. Not quite. Looks like blue is going to be up at the end of the autonomous period. 87-49 zipping across this field to grab the note. While their alliance partners, 91-27, lining up on the amp. They make a shot, score one in. Looks like 97-86, making a shot. 87-49, ferrying those notes across so the alliance partners can shoot them in. 91-21, lining up on that blue line speaker, and they shoot, and they score. Looks like both sides have pressed that cooperation button, bringing that requirement for that melody ranking point from 21 all the way down to 18, which will help these teams in the rankings. 27-14, lining up at that speaker, and they shoot just a little short. Red Alliance is amplified, so the notes can be worth more. Let's see if they can get use out of that. Back on the blue side, 91-21, line up, make a shot, and they score. 87-49, giving 91-21 a little bit of a puppy kiss as they spin around the field. And they make a shot into that amp, score it in. 88-74, making a shot in that speaker. 27-14, hitting this alliance wall pretty hard, but they've got that note. Let's see what they do with it. 91-21, making a shot in. That blue alliance is amplified, making the best use of those notes as they can. 91-21, line up, make another shot. Let's see if they get in before the amplified period's over. We'll see if that counts. 87-49, dropping another note in. 27-14, shooting those notes over for later. But 87-49, trying to steal it. 91-21, lining back up on that speaker. Looks like a close match, only 6 points off, with about 30 seconds left in the match. 87-49, dropping one in that amp, trying to keep their lead. 88-74, lined up in that speaker, and they shoot with their alliance partners, 27-14. 97-86, dropping a note in, 27-14. It's the last 20 seconds. Team players are going to start throwing those high notes. Let's see if any can get it. 88-74, line up the climb for the red. And it looks like they're up, 27-14, zipping across that field, maybe trying to make some last-minute shots. 91-21, lining up for the blue. 87-49 doing the same. Looks like 27-14, and then 88-74 up for the red. One part. Looks like we'll see how these scores go.
Mission, Texas, the Electro Night, sponsored.
We have a tie. 45 all. One ranking point for each alliance.